time out. This was the problem the whole time. They wired the hot wire to the neutral wire, and they wired it wrong. So the polarity was off. So that was the issue. So technically, this black wire is supposed to be going to the black and the red to the white for future reference. wire is going to the white wire. We got black going to black. Black is the power. White is the neutral. Okay. Prior to turning on electricity, always remember, fill your water tank up first. If you turn the power on prior to filling the tank up, you'll burn out those elements, what I showed you earlier. Okay, see this. First thing I want to do is make sure there's no leaks here. Proof of my work. And I also want to open up this pressure relief valve because I'm not sure if you've ever heard the gurgling in the lines before. When you turn the water on, it just sounds like air. Yeah, that happens when there's too much air in the water tank. So once I hit this, now it's filling up, no leaks. And hit this. There we go. Gotta be quick, baby. Gotta be quick. I don't know if you heard it, a little hissing. We good to go. We good to go.